Welcome back to another night with King Skylark with a 1 After Hours.
Yes! Yes!
And this is Cloud Sword.
Cloud Sword the dog here to also help me test out some beers. Today we have some Voodoo Rangers of different assortments. We have the Voodoo Vice, the Juice Force IPA, Experimental IPA, and also Juicy Haze, which sounds like a nice strain of CBD that I would love to enjoy.
What did he say?
And we're straight gonna get into it. We're gonna give our average points in between 1 and 10 on what we think these beers are scaled to.
Okay.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Voodoo Vice, which definitely looks like he is about to go do some cocaine.
He's pimped out.
This one
Dude's in some drip.
is a 7.1 beer.
.1% alcohol.
Fuck, I got it on paper. Come at me for the way I pour it.
Everybody's sorry, man. I'm already pretty drunk, so I don't know if I'm gonna pour the full half of the beer in here, man.
I told you the drunker I was, the more I was gonna talk into this. Skylark with a 1 After Hours. Alright, we're gonna get straight into this Voodoo Vice. It's got a pretty nice color to it.
Yeah, I like that. That's good. That's got some class to it. I don't know. Something about that is very distinct. Very classy.
I feel like it's got
very-
some lemony hints in the background that I like.
Yeah. Lemon lime, maybe.
Slight.
Maybe lime.
Lime zest.
It does have some culture to it. I don't know how. It's good though. I kind of dig it. To be honest
Sounds
with you.
sucky.
I know it's the first one, but I'm digging. I'm digging it.
Ready if you are circling the answers, alright.
7.5.
6.5.
Okay. That's an average of 7.
We gotta talk about the cups that we're using. So,
Glasses.
Vegeta's bald. Goku ain't got no head. Trunks still got that big fat ass head.
What did he say?
And Piccolo missing an eye.
I'm using the solid black Namaste the fuck away. I gotta say, that shit was bussin' for real.
And next we're gonna get into this Juice Force IPA. Nice, he looks like he's about to go fly a plane.
Yeah, I like this guy's drip, but I don't like the art design as much as I liked the last can. The last can was very colorful. Voodoo Vice, it was a nice reference.
Now that I'm realizing he has a taco patch, I'm kind of vibing with it more.
I like his drip. I just like the first drip better, but
The
I don't
taco
know.
patch.
That's my opinion. He's got a nice drip. Nice. That's the term, right? That's what the kids are saying these days.
Drippy, 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 drip.
I try and keep up with the slang, but I'm just a millennial.
Is that what we are?
Yes,
Okay. I don't know what I am.
millennials. If we were a couple of years younger, we would be.
Perennials. We used to work at a flower place, so that's actually quite funny. Very, very funny.
Oh, I haven't poured my juice for
Oh
yet.
shit.
We can edit out this me rambling about
We're gonna leave
generations.
it some other rambling. Especially the part about the flowers, because that's just funny. perennials. All right, let's get into this and then click on that.
Oh shit!
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
We'll be back with Burnt Butthole Boys.
What did he say?
Oh no, man. I feel like I smell burnt hair.
Yeah.
Dude, what the fuck? Hold on.
I also think I like pulled a muscle in my shoulder doing that.
That's how you know we're getting old. Bro. So like normally, you know, you usually wipe with like one arm when you're wiping, you know?
Yeah.
Have you ever wiped with the opposite arm?
I've had to recently.
Bro, I about pulled a muscle the other day, dude. like literally everything right here tightened up real bad. I was like, oh, what? Oh, God.
Oh, man. That was good. I can't wait to see what that looks like.
I don't want to see it.
It was hot on my butt.
That'll be.
That was hot on my butt.
That'll be on the OnlyFans, boys. We got feet and buttholes on the OnlyFans.
I didn't expose my anus.
You didn't?
No.
Oh,
You can't when you light farts. Okay, here's a little lesson for all of you who want to...
I was gonna go bare butthole. If
No, so here's a lesson to all of you who want to light a fart, okay? Thank you, sorry, so you can hear me better. You can't go bare ass. I know that's what everyone instinctively thinks you need to do, go bare ass, but that actually doesn't work. You see, when you go bare ass, your fart is direct and it blows out the flame, okay? So it doesn't catch. It blows out the flame before it catches it on fire. When you wear underwear and you just fart through your underwear, the cotton diffuses the gas into a more spacious area, which lets the flame ignite it without blowing it out. So the best way to light a fart is through your underwear. This has been the lesson for today. Everyone on YouTube, be careful. Play safe, you know, don't light yourself on fire. I don't recommend lighting your farts on fire, but if you are to, do it through your underwear. Thank you.
Sponsor me, Mike Tyson, please. It's probably the worst time I've ever said that.
Alright, let's try this juice force.
Juice Force?
Cheers, mate. Ooh, wow, that's very, very juicy.
Yep. That's got some palm.
Oh, see, it's flavorful. I just don't like the aftertaste, and I just don't know if I would drink a bunch of it.
Or not pomegranate. This has got like
Grapefruit.
grapefruit. You're right. Pomegranate. What am I thinking? I'm not a Greek.
Ich will die Tage mit spielen!
I'm mixed. You're to judge this one.
Yes, very judge-worthy.
Circle your answers.
A 5.
9.5.
Holy shit! We have very different opinions on this, huh?
I got drunker and it got better.
Ooh. What do you mean it got better? We've never tried these before.
I guess. It's happening in real time. And cut. Well, internet, here we are again. Fuck you.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I'm
Whoa.
vaping in the camera and shit. I'm out of control.
So
I'm out of control.
So disrespectful.
I'm out of look.
Oh my god.
This was a beer from the rest of the last one.
Jeez. Jeez Louise.
Fuck you.
This man's crazy.
I actually love you, internet. Especially you. Anybody named Todd, you're the best.
We love you, Todd.
Todd. At Todd 2. At Todd69, you're our dogs. Alright, let's get back to this. Next we have the Voodoo Ranger Experimental IPA.
That's experimental with a capital X.
I licked the can. It is with a capital X. He's not lying.
Big X. They make that one real big.
Maybe I'm not good at pouring beer.
Yeah. Oh, that's good, Lou. Piss the internet off. Really piss them off.
This is what you want. This is what you want, internet.
Y'all want Big Bubba to be released.
I can't do this for the rest of the interview. It's not even an interview. Cheers.
You're interviewing the beers personally. This is experimental. Oh, here, put that back. I accidentally took it from the camera.
Experimental. Cheers. That's heavy in the skunk.
How do I describe that one?
OG Koosh.
Koosh. You know what it's like?
Talk about buttered sausage. Talk about buttered sausage, where it comes from, what it does. Why is it doing what it's doing? Get it out of my face.
When you run out of toilet paper and there's like a roll of paper towels laying near you.
And there's only your cousin left in the cabin. Your cousin left in the cabin.
And you don't want him to hear you scream in agony while you're wiping your ass with some rough ass toilet papers.
You're talking.
Paper towels.
You're talking about the Walmart toilet paper.
It's paper towels. You're out of toilet paper.
Oh shit.
You gotta use paper towels, and all you have is that Scott's brand.
You ever had a paper cut between your fingers? You want one between your butthole?
What did he say?
Yeah.
That's Scott's.
Rough. Wait, were we talking about a beer?
Yes.
Oh,
Experimental IPA.
it's a little skunky, not very fruity. I don't have any fruit actually.
Sponsored.
It's not bad though. I don't know. Alright, I got a rating for it.
6.5. And on to our last beer of the night.
Yes!
Yes! Yes!
And by the way, this has been King Skylark After Dark. Featuring
Cloud Sword.
There's a really big gnome behind the camera, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
Don't show him yet. Don't show him yet. You can't show him yet. We gotta show him at the end. They gotta wait till the end to see the gnome.
That's Barnaby Tampon.
What the fuck? That sounds like you picked him up on the south side of Evansville.
Man, don't make fun of Barnaby. The tampons.
I'm not making fun of Barnaby. I'm making fun of the south side of Evansville.
The tampon family is a prestigious family.
No, I never heard of them on Skyrim.
They're tampions.
Oh my god. And next up, we have Juicy. He's with the nice flower suit. He's also rocking the apocalypse card on his hat. That's what we like to call the mushroom cloud around here.
Yeah, speaking on the art, the artwork on the can.
Was that one good?
Pretty good.
What's up, internet? Am I good yet?
I like this artwork a lot. He's got the playing card in his hat, like he's like really cool and stuff. He's got the flaps on his ears. He's got some golden shades. And he's wearing some kind of hippie suit. Ooh!
He's always got that gold tooth, though.
Yeah, it looks like he has a bolo tie actually. Look, see the strings coming down, and then the.
Oh yeah, the.
He's got a skeleton. It's really hard to see because the text is over it, but he's wearing a bolo tie.
Shout out Granny, because you had some of those, I think. I don't know who else would have had them, but
Bolo ties are.
cheers.
And that's good. It's skunky, slightly fruity, slightly tangy. Juicy haze, right?
Just like your mom.
Oh shit! We're sorry if your mom's dead.
Damn, bro. Took me down a peg. Alright. Let's get to this last review.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this is the what, second and a half time we shot this tonight?
Yeah, really drunk. You know, when you try beers over and over again.
Look me up on footfinder.com.
8.
7.5. That's actually really close. That got better.
Go from beginning to end.
The winner is Taco Bell biscuit.
We have. Right here. You lead it off, champion.
Voodoo Vice is a solid 7. Juice Force IPA is a solid 7.25.
Ah!
Too drunk to figure out pages. Experimental IPA is a 6.25. And Juicy Haze is a 7.75. This has been King Skylark After Dark.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
I am pissed drunk, and this is my co-host.
Hey guys, it's Cloud Sword.
Yes! Yes!
Thank you for watching the show. We reviewed some beers, we drank some beers, we drank more beers, we reviewed more beers. Thanks for watching. Hope you review beers, drink beers too. Subscribe to his channel. Maybe subscribe to me,
King Skylark with a 1.
Cloud Sword. I have funny stuff. He too.
I hope it storms in your local area today or tomorrow.
Thank
Good
you guys
night.
for watching.